We've been asked to identify how much data the file server on switch 1.1.2 has sent and received this month, and they need to know quickly. This will take us no time at all. All devices that have connected to our switches, security appliance, or access points will show up on the network-wide clients page. This page aggregates a lot of information about the clients, including network usage, operating system, IP and MAC address, plus many other statistics and info. This is a flex table, which means if we select the wrench icon in the upper right-hand corner, we can choose to display more or fewer columns. There are also filters at the top of the page that we can apply. They said they wanted to know how much data the file server has used. The column we need here is usage. It lists the amount of data sent and received, and it's already here, so we don't need to add it to the table. If we select it, our table will be sorted in ascending or descending order based on this column. We also want to know how much for the last month, so we can use our time scope dropdown and choose for the last 30 days. And notice that the data in our table refreshed, our usage numbers have now increased, and our usage graph is different now. We also know that our file server is plugged into a switch, and since we have a full Meraki network, we can select all and change it to only switch clients. Perfect. Now our list is showing only devices connected to switches. And then finally, we know that we're looking for the file server plugged into switch 1.1.2. If we select the wrench icon, we can add the column that says connected to, which allows us to see which switch a client is connected to. And there it is. Now we have our file server, and we know that it is the right one because it lists switch 1.1.2 in the connected to column. We have the specific amount of usage for the last 30 days here, and we have the answer to our question. We also could have simply typed file server into the search box, and it would have found it for us. This search box can be used to search for names of clients, IP addresses, MAC addresses, or anything in the search drop-down box. If we select file server from the table, we have even more details about it, such as the current client connection section. We can identify the upstream switch port it's connected to and the whole path through the network from the server to the edge. If there's an issue anywhere in between, you'll see it here. Anytime you need to answer a question about a client on your Meraki network, the network-wide clients page is where you'll find it.